Rainbows. Tricks of light. When the sun comes out after a shower, run outside. You may spot a giant rainbow curving across the sky like a big painting. When sunlight splashes through a window, you might see a small rainbow up close. Rainbows are optical illusion. You can see them, but they are impossible to touch. We can't walk around them or look at them from the side. The rainbow we see outside seems to move away if we go toward them for a closer look. Rainbows are created by light shining through water or clear objects. In nature, rainbows usually appear where rain and sunlight meet. Rainbows are beautiful tricks of light. Science, though, has unlocked their mysteries. Where and when rainbows appear. Notice the weather next time you see a rainbow. There will be rain or mist in front of you, and the sun will be shining from behind you. The rainbow will appear in the rain or mist. Water in the air and direct light are two things needed to see a rainbow in nature. A rainbow won't appear if the sky is too cloudy. The best time to see a rainbow is usually in the morning or late afternoon, as that's when the sun is in the best place to create one. If you're lucky, you might see a double or even a triple rainbow. You can sometimes spot rainbow in the midst of a waterfall, too. A splashing fountain can create a small rainbow, and a sprinkler on the sunny day may put on a colorful show. Rainbows can even form under the bright moon. These special rainbows are called moonbows. To a viewer, a rainbow looks like a curved edge or half circle. However, a rainbow actually forms a full circle from the ground. Most times, we can only see a rainbow's top half. Sometimes, though, lucky airplane pilots may see a rainbow's complete circle from the sky. How rainbows form. René Descartes was a French scientist. He was born over 400 years ago. He was he was fascinated by rainbows and wanted to learn more about them. He used sunlight and a big globe of water to do experiment. Descartes covered that to see rainbow, the viewer must be looking at the light from the right angle. To understand rainbows, it helps to understand how light travels. Light moves at different speeds through different mediums. Think of running on land, then imagine running the knee-deep water. You move slower through water. In the same way, light moves faster through an air through water. This happens because water is denser or thicker than air. When light enters water, it slows and bends away from its original path. Bending light is called reflection. Refraction. This process makes objects, such as a pencil sitting in the glass of water, appear to bend. We see rainbows in nature when direct light meets drop of rain. Sunlight refracts as it enters each drop. The light then reflects or bounces off the inside of each drop like light of a mirror. The light refracts again as it exits the drop. Refracts and reflects. A million of water droplets in the sky at the same time. This process makes all the color of a rainbow. The colors of the rainbow. Sunlight contains all the color of a rainbow through refractions. Raindrops disperse or split sunlight into this color. Sunlight splits into colors in each drop of rain. Each drop refracts colored light toward the viewers at a slightly different angle. We see red light shining from the drops at the top of a rainbow. Those drops are the right position to shine the color red back at us. In the same way, the only color we see shining from the bottom of a rainbow is violet. From the top of the from top to bottom, color in the rainbow always appear in the same order. However, the outside rainbow in the double rainbow breaks this rule. The name Roche beef can help you remember the seven main colors of a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Conclusion: rainbows make most people pause and awe. These colorful displays have inspired art and poetry throughout history. They also appeared in stories and fairy tales from all over the world. Science explains how these optical illusions happen. Water drops bend, split, and reflect light, which lets us see a rainbow's many colors. Still, the surprising beauty of a rainbow is a magical sight to see.